Hi everyone, this is Dr. Tijani Shiba from the Department of Chemistry of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So let us, in this video we are going to see about air pollution. So what is air pollution? It is the presence of harmful substances in the atmosphere that can adversely affect human health and environment and also the climate. And the substances which are added to the atmosphere are known as the pollutants, air pollutants. And what are the sources? We can classify the sources into two types: the natural sources and the anthropogenic sources. In natural sources, we have the volcanic eruptions, which releases ash, sulfur dioxide, and other gases. And the wildfires, which produces particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and volatile organic compounds. The dust storms, which consists of dust and sand, contributing to airborne particulate matter. The biological processes, which includes the pollens, mold spores, and other allergens from plants and animals, and also the ocean sources, which is the sea spray, and the natural marine emissions can release salt particles and sulfur compounds. When you come to the anthropogenic sources, we have the transportation sources like vehicles, cars, trucks, buses, and airplanes emit oxides of nitrogen and carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and particulate matters into the atmosphere. And the ships, maritime shipping can release sulfur compounds and nitrogen oxides. The industrial activities, like the factories, they emit oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, and also carbon monoxide, volatile organic compounds into the atmosphere. And during power generation, and the burning of fossil fuels gives out the emissions of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide. And for during the agricultural practices, we emit ammonia, pesticides, fertilizers, and also the volatile organic compounds. And livestock farming contributes to methane. And in the waste disposal and landfills, we have the huge production of methane, which and also the incineration process releases the high amount of dioxins, furans, and particulates matter. And also the household activities, cooking, heating, and using certain cleaning products can emit volatile organic compounds into the atmosphere and also particulate matter. And naturally, construction and demolition works includes dust and emissions from machinery contribute to particulate matter. Now we should know what are air pollutants. As I told you, air pollutants are substances, harmful substances, which are added to air, which causes health effects to human beings and also the environment. They can be classified into two types. One is the based upon the natural sources. We have the volcanic eruptions, forest fires, dust storms, biological processes, as I told you already. And also the anthropogenic activities like transportation, the industries, power generation, agriculture activities also contribute to the sources of air pollutants. And the classification of air pollutants can be dealt as primary pollutants, which are directly emitted into the atmosphere as harmful form. Example, the oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, the particulate matter, etc. The secondary pollutants are those substances which are obtained by mixing of the primary pollutants with some of the components of the environment. And examples, the ozone formed from oxides of nitrogen and volatile organic compounds in the presence of sunlight. Smog formed from various pollutants are the examples of secondary pollutants. And third one is the criteria pollutants, commonly monitored pollutants due to their health and environmental effects. We have the particulate matter, that is PM10 and PM2.5, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, and lead. These are known as the criteria pollutants. And what are the effects of air pollutions on human health? It causes respiratory issues. Mostly it also contributes to cardiovascular problems. It causes neurological effects, cancer, developmental issues in kids during pregnancy, and also it leads to overall mortality. So hope you all had just an idea about air pollution and air pollutants. Thank you for watching.